Alright guys, we just had a look at the in-ground version, so let's take a look at the in-deck version. So this is our in-deck Downunder. This is set into joist work, simply fixed off through our frame. This joist setup is at 270 mils apart, exactly. What's going to happen there, we have our 200 mil joist. We're going to run two sets of joists here. So we're going to have a 90 by 45 followed by a 150 by 45 on the outside. That's to give us a nice bit of space in the cavity. When the cover is rolled up, it's not going to be impeded. This unit can take almost any length cover. So what we'll do is simply, as an example, if we had a 50-meter long pool, we're going to push the roller down into the cavity so it can take more cover onto the roller. So it's just a simple addition to the frame. So once our joist work is ready, we'll simply remove the lid, taking our Allen keys and grommets out. The team will simply screw this off using our fixing points, series of holes through the side here. If we're finding that the unit's flexing too much, we have this additional fixing point with a right angle bracket which will fix in and under onto the frame and back onto the joist setup.